If you're into full throttle ATV action with mud, water, and whatever else flying at you, then you're at the right place. I promise you that. My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way. All right, we'll get on the road. Just me and Ryan today. That's all we need. We don't got to pull other guys out, just each other. He's my buddy Ryan. He's got an 850 XT basically turned into an XMR. It's friggin' beast mode. Ryan's running the 31 XM310s. I've got 32-inch Aztecs, which they're closer to a 31. You'll really see a great comparison between the two machines. He has a dual MBRP exhaust and a tune. I have no tune. I've got an MBRP exhaust. He definitely flows a lot more. Well, 10:45. I guess nobody else is coming. That's all right. We're gonna go try to get this thing really stuck. I know the spot. Two-wheel drive. Like I'm an idiot. I'm literally in two-wheel drive the whole time. No. To this one. What a dummy, eh? Not even a four-wheel drive. Jeez. Freaking rookie. I just don't want to get dirty. Alright. Ryan knows what to do. He's gonna give her a little more jam in four-wheel drive. Just like that. See, you got enough ground clearance now. Yeah, there it is. Whoa! She got deep. So, fine. Actually, I'm able to just get up on the back. Yeah, she'll crawl right out now, I think. Oh, hang on to her, buddy. Oh, I lied. So, wow. It's way deeper than I remember. Yeah, I gotta admit defeat on that. And I didn't have it locked in, so it may have made a slight difference, but you need to hit it with a little more jam, I think. More jam. There you go. Nice. Oh, I know. Well, I shouldn't say I know, but yeah, I kind of purposely tried to not go too hard into it. I want to let the bike and the tires see how it went. That's my story. All right, this is the easy one. I'm not doing any more pussyfooting around. I'm just gonna smash it. See what happens. Okay, I've never made it through this one. What I do remember though is there's maybe where that tree overhangs, there's a good rut, like it's deeper, and I just got bottomed out. I remember Joe went through it first, and then I did my sports, but I started back there, and they hit those ruts in it, like almost wants to flip you over, so I let up the throttle. I should have stopped here, and then just went from here, but I went, so I had no momentum at all, and then, but I still bottomed out pretty good, but
You didn't have as much clearance as this, did you?
It's the same.
Is it?
All right, boys. We got a few cameras set up. We're gonna give her heck. I can't see anything. Where am I? I want to go right?
Yeah. Go right up. Slight right into there.
I can turn right?
Yeah. I can't see.
You're good, I know. All right, boys, here's the situation. Situation critical. I said I wanted to really test this machine out. That's what we're gonna do. That last one was tough, but I knew it wasn't super deep, and we got through it. I didn't know if we'd get through it. Ryan blasted through it. We're gonna give her heck, one way or another. Whoa! Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh, I think I'm crawling right out of this. That was a little too much jam. I don't know if I wouldn't really recommend that technique. I friggin' look at my, holy frig. My tire, like, okay, so I was went up there. Holy frig. Okay, so I gave her the beans and I launched and went a little crooked there. Can you see that? Oh, and then it carried me right here. I went around the hole. Of ground clearance between the two bikes.
You skipped that deep big part.
Oh yeah, like I said, that wasn't like, I didn't quite intend it like that. That's how you do it. I think you're right, Mr. Ryan. All right. What do you think? Give her a shot?
Give her a whirl.
Give her the beans. And then we're almost at the end. I think this is the last good one we're gonna do. So make her count. Now, this is gonna be a challenge. There's no question. This is gonna be a challenge.
Yeah. There's a big tree right there.
I gotta tell you, my thumb's a little bit sore just from squeezing the throttle so much today. And you know what? I had her locked in full throttle mode more than I ever had. This place is nuts. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.